Okay, so one of the things that you have to do is make sure that you have the right depth for, where's the feeler gauge? Where
You
did?
guys had it last.
Well, we've lost the feeler gauge. Anyway, you want to make sure that you have the right depth on the nozzle, between the nozzle and the bed. And so the way you do that is you adjust the, so this is the feeler gauge here. But you slide this under the head here, under the nozzle, and you should get a little bit of resistance. And obviously you got to make sure that you don't have too much plastic or something in there, but you should have a little bit of resistance. And if you don't, then it's not going to, the filament's not going to stick to the bed. So what you want to do then is adjust the Z height on the printer. So this is something that was hard to find, this thing, but so this is looking at the front of the printer, or really the back of the printer. And so if you look up here on top of the bed, there is a switch right here. So it's on the left hand side of the printer, but there's a switch right here that is getting tagged when the bed comes up. And so what you're going to do, if you want the bed to come up higher, then you're going to loosen that so that you actually get it to come up a little bit higher before it pushes the limit switch. And if you want to make it deeper, then you do the opposite. So, but you have to get under it, and you're just screwing that screw in or out to hit that switch sooner or later.